Hi, I'm Jessica, owner of Jessica Rose Salon, and today I want to talk to you about the CurlQ by Skin Research Institute. So now I'm going to show you how to unlock and lock to place your tool. Simple as that. You want to unlock it, place it in, and then lock it. So the flat brush attachment is used for straightening, relieving frizz. It works really well with thicker hair. And you would use it just like you would a regular brush. And just remember, this is not a blow dryer. It is an after styling tool. So you want to have dry hair. You can just really smooth out all the imperfections, any of the kinks, frizz, curl, and waves, to getting a nice, smooth, beautiful salon finish. So this attachment is basically a round brush to give you volume, shine, and smoothness. It's really good for that third day hair when you want to kind of refresh, rebounce your hair. And you're going to do it in the same manner that you would any other round brush. You want to pick up your hair and scoop in the root and pull. And that's to help give your root that volume. Make sure you have the right temperature on. I suggest about 350 is a good one, 360, to really get in there. Getting on this side and just lifting and pulling. You can even give yourself a little bit of bend at the end of your hair and just kind of hold it for a second and then bring it down. And see that? You get this nice little, I'm going to do it on this side. Scoop the root, give it that volume, shine, and smoothness. And I'm just going to bring my ends in, and I'm going to hold it for a minute there, and then bring it down. You got this really nice bevel. You can do it against the hair as well if you'd like, and do an outward look. And if this at all feels if this at all is too hot, you've got your glove in your kit that you can use. You get a nice kick at the end. Back here is a really good place that people need to get more volume and reboost it 3 days later, 2 days later, even the next day later. You're going to grab that piece. I'm going to scoop the root and I'm going to pull. And you get this beautiful, straight, volumed look. I can even do this and have that hold for a second, almost like a curling iron, or like you would with a round brush with the blow dryer. And then release. You've got this beautiful, smooth, and beveled look. In your CurlQ kit, you are going to have 3 different barrel sizes. You are going to have a 1-inch, you are going to have a 1.25 inch, and a 1.5 inch, just shy of 2 inches. And these are all titanium, which helps distribute the heat evenly, which is less damaging for the hair, so you don't have to go over it as many times. Also, it gets to 450 in 90 seconds. So that also saves you time and again, helps you not have to repeat going over your curl more than one time. So today let's choose the middle one. We'll do the 1.25 and I'm just gonna lock it in there. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's go up to 410. And depending on the look that you want to get, you can get a wave, a barrel curl. You can get also a wrap curl if you would like, by just not opening this up, and you can just wrap the hair around it. So you can get multiple looks depending on the different sizes that you use. And we already have our time really quick. And it glides so smooth. Wow, so pretty. It works so well. Also, I'm going to show you just wrapping your hair around the curling iron. We got this nice light wave.
Unless you want more.
And here I'm just grabbing big pieces so you can see that I'm just trying to accomplish some beveling rather than a complete curl. Give it a different look. There you have it. Some other safety features is this 360 swivel cord. It helps with keeping the cord safe, untangled, and less damaged. Also, you have these anti-heat tips that help keep the heat from burning you. And also, there's a 45-minute shut-off, so your house doesn't burn down. And there you have it, the 5-in-1 CurlQ Kit by Skin Research Institute.